Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. In the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Dehinasmin jatha dehi kaumanang jauvanang jara tatha dehantram prapti dhirastattanayumayati. You, me, every one of us is encased within this body. I am spirit soul, you are spirit soul. That is the Vedic Indians, Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahma. That means spirit, not Parabrahma, don't mistake. Parabrahma is God. We are Brahma, part and parcel of God. Fragments, but not the Supreme. Supreme is different. Just like you are American, but the Supreme American is your president, Mr. Nixon. But you cannot say that because I am American, therefore I am Mr. Nixon. That you cannot say. Similarly, you, me, every one of us, Brahma. But that does not mean we are Parabrahma. Parabrahma is Krishna. Ishara Parama Krishna. Ishara Parama. Ishara means controller. So every one of us is controller to some extent. Somebody is controlling his family, controlling his office, business, controlling his disciples. At last, he is controlling a dog. If he hasn't got to control anything, he keeps a dog to control. A pet dog, a pet cat. So everyone wants to be controller. That's a fact. But the supreme controller is Krishna. Here, the so-called controller is controlled by somebody else. I may control my disciples, but I am controlled by somebody else, by my spiritual master. So nobody can say that I am the absolute controller. No. Here you will find the so-called controller, certainly controller to some extent, but he is controlled also. But when you find somebody that he is controller only, not controlled by anyone, that is Krishna. To understand Krishna is not very difficult. Try to understand that everyone is controlling, every one of us, but at the same time being controlled by somebody else. But we find a gentleman whose name is Krishna. He is controlling everyone, but he is not controlled by anyone. That is God. Ishara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi Radi Govinda Sarvakarana Karana. So this Krishna consciousness movement is very scientific, authorized and understandable by reasonable man. So, if you kindly take interest in this Krishna consciousness movement, you will be benefited. Your life will be successful. Your aim of life will be achieved. That is a fact. So, you can try to read our literatures. We have got many books. You can come and see practically how our students are doing, advancing in Krishna consciousness movement. You can try to learn from them by association. Just like if one wants to become a mechanical man, he enters into a factory and associates with the worker, mechanics, and gradually he also becomes a mechanic, a technologist. Similarly, we are opening these centers just to give opportunity to everyone to learn how to go home, how to go home back, how to go home back to God. That is our mission. And it is very scientific and authorized, Vedic. We are receiving this knowledge direct from Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There is Bhagavad Gita. We are presenting Bhagavad Gita as it is, without nonsensical comments. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita that he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We are placing the same proposal. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is Krishna. We are not changing it. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, become my devotee, always think of me, worship me, offer your obeisances unto me. We are teaching all people that you think of Krishna always. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. By chanting this Hare Krishna mantra, you will always think of Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,